In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a to-do list into a subtask in GoodDay. This is really helpful when you've created a task that you later realize should actually live under a bigger parent task. Instead of recreating everything from scratch, GoodDay lets you quickly convert that task into a subtask, keeping your work organized and your projects easier to manage. First, open your browser and go to the GoodDay website. Make sure you're logged in to the correct workspace where your project or task is located. It can be helpful to already know which project or board the task belongs to, so you don't spend time searching later. Once you're in GoodDay, navigate to the specific project, folder, or view where your to-do item currently lives. This might be in a task list, a board, or another view you normally use to manage your work. Look for the task that you want to convert. This is the to-do that you've decided should become a subtask under another larger task. When you've found it, click on the task to open its detailed view. This will bring up all the task information, such as the title, description, assignee, due dates, and any other fields you might be using. Opening the task details is important because the option to convert it into a subtask is available inside this view. Inside the task window, look toward the top right corner for an icon with 3 dots. This is usually known as the More Options or Context menu. The exact position can vary slightly depending on your layout or screen size, but it's typically near the other task actions like editing, sharing, or changing status. Click on the 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a list of additional actions you can perform on this task. Among those options, look for the one that says Convert as Subtask, or a very similar phrase. Click on Convert as Subtask. At this point, GoodDay may ask you to choose the parent task that this to-do will belong to. Select the main task that should contain this item as a subtask, confirm your choice, and let GoodDay process the